Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also fine. Dear students, is it a day or night right now?
Day.
Day. Okay. Why do you think it is day right now?
Because the light is coming.
Yes, because the light is coming. Very good. Sit down. But we are in India.
But in America, it is night.
But in America it is night. Okay, how come there is night at one place and day in other place?
Because there are two parts. One part is in sunlight and the other part is not in sunlight.
Now everybody turn around faster. Stop. How are you feeling?
Readiness.
Giddiness. And how are you feeling?
We are rotating.
Yes, we were rotating. Any simple word?
Spinning.
What?
Spinning.
Spinning. Very good. Can you show me spinning with your finger? Yes. What you are doing?
Spinning.
Spinning like this. Okay. Dear students, can you see some connection between day and night and spinning?
Yes, the earth rotates around the sun.
Yes, the earth rotates around the sun. Very good. Okay, dear students, what you were rotating like this and what you were rotating? Wait, have you seen this?
Yes, we have seen this.
Okay, and what am I doing the globe?
Rotating.
Rotating. Very good. Okay, dear students, it is spinning around what? Now you come. You. It is spinning around what?
It is rotating around that.
That? Show me that. What is that? Show me that.
Axis.
Show me. Where is axis? Show me.
Axis.
Okay, very good. Okay, now show me. What is axis? Show me. What is axis? You come. Show me the axis.
It is an axis that earth move around the sun.
Okay, and is there axis only at the top?
No. Top as well as downside.
Top as well as downside. Okay. Is the axis is real?
No.
You give me the answer.
Axis is an imaginary line which does not real.
Once again.
Axis is an imaginary line which does not real.
Yes. Now tell me, what is rotation? What is rotation?
The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation.
Once again.
The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation.
Rotation. Very good. How days and nights occur differently in different parts of the earth? You give me the answer.
When earth rotates on its axis, so one part of earth receives sunlight and other part not, so the part receives sunlight is day and other part it is night.
Okay, very good. Okay, is the earth spins and rotates, why we don't fall down? You?
Because of the gravitational power of the earth.
Yes, because of... We are going to do a fantastic activity, okay?
Okay.
This I was doing. Would all of you like to do something yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That would be fun.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we need to do is get into group of 5. So each table has 5 roles. One person will hold the torch and one person will hold the globe and 3 like this. Now, does anyone have interesting question?
Yes, ma'am, the earth direction moving is east to west or north to south?
Okay, very good. Wait.
Which is with earth rotation?
Which speed?
Earth rotation.
Okay. Now I am going to give you each of you a piece of paper where has India written on it. I want you to stick it where India is. And I want to look carefully which part of India will get light first. In what direction should you move it? Okay? Sushma, which part of India get light first?
Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Which part of India get light first? Gujarat. Sushma says Arunachal Pradesh and Shivangi says Gujarat. Very interesting. Now I would like to show you a little bit of that on this big globe. Okay, which part of the world right now has a day?
Africa!
Africa?
Yes!
Can you see Africa?
Yes!
It has a day right now. And slowly, which part of the earth right now has a day?
India!
Okay, if I am rotating this type, which part of the country get light first?
Gujarat!
Okay, and if I am rotating this type, which part of the country get light first?
Arunachal Pradesh!